morning, guys. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I just woke up and I just came from store to buy some stuff. And yeah, today it's my birthday. Well, yeah, so I know that the most excited day now, but honestly, guys, I'm really excited. I will take no excited now. And so for today, मैले त्यस्तो केही प्लान त गरेको छुइनँ. I will just meet my friend and go out for a lunch. That's it. Let's see अब बादमा के हुने हो. You will guys know later on जब म भिडियो एडिट गर्छु. So yeah, I'll see you guys over there. Bye. My friends and Yodeva is Praveen and is Vivek. We're busy. I'm hello. And says Miss Christine.
ध्यान से देखिए इन लोगों को. रेस्टोरेंट में आके किताब पढ़ रहे हैं. मेनू ऐसे पढ़ रहे हैं जैसे कि किताब पढ़ रहे हैं.
डल्लै पढ्सक्यौ प्रवीण?
Kimchi fried rice, mandu, kimchi लन्च एन्ड डिनर त चाहिएको नि हामीलाई. अच्छा मोकटेलहरू पनि हेर्नुहोस्.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear CNG. Happy birthday to you. 26 वर्ष 27 वर्ष advance भएर belated म खानु खुवाइदिउँ न खुवाइदिन्छु ऊ खाँदैन खुवाइदिन्छ
अझै मेरो भन्ने कस्तो लाग्यो मेरो पनि थियो
के खोला फेरि लगाइदिनु
Thank you so much. खुल्ला हुन्छ कि ओ के छ पुरा लाउनु पर्यो जानु छिटो बोल न ढिलो भयो नि Thank you. Thank you so much.
यो त अब ट्राई गर्ला खुवाएन भन्छ
अब मलाई त हुन्छ कि हो
कोसिस गर अझै खानु
Start. रिस पाएका जिन्दगीमा फोन नहराओस् मैले दिमाग आओस् भयो केक सुक्छ कतिवटा विषमा आयो Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Janina. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday. Bless you.
Ke गिरो नि हो
सो अहिलेसम्म तपाईँले जुन भ्लग देख्नुभयो त्यो एउटा मेरो बर्थडेको पार्ट थियो like how I spent my birthday and how I really enjoyed it. If तपाईँलाई मन पर्यो भने wait for a little more because I'm gonna show you what I got for my birthday. It won't take much time. So छिटो गरिदिएको दा. The first thing that I got for my birthday is this shoe. अलिकति मैला छ मैले यो एकपल्ट लगाइसकेको छु. So it's a Nike Air Force. I got this from Sunita auntie. Thank you so much for that, auntie. I really loved it, and I got this from Ganto. It's a newly opened store in Ganto named Chipa Clothing. They have their own Instagram holder. You also can check it out over there. The link will be in the description box. So when I first entered the store, there I saw the selection is large and wide with every different type, style and brand you could want. The prices are very affordable with good customer service. They got running shoes, sneakers, handbags and so much more. I highly recommend to go over there and enjoy the offer and be happy. So here's Mr. Parkyu. Hi. So it's also a gift from Hobbs and his actual name is Girish. Thank you so much for this lovely gift. I really loved it. I'm pretty excited to give. I'm really excited to hold him. Like it's really soft. Was like just like I can hug him, I can carry him, I can take him everywhere with me. And the most important thing that he will never leave me. Right? Yes. The second thing that I got is this. This top. It's from my friend Vivek. It's so soft and I really loved it. Thank you so much for that. And the next thing is again this top. It's from my small mom. Small mom matlab मेरो छेमा उहाँले यो गिफ्ट दिनुभएको थियो. It's from H&M. मैले यस्तो खालके top I have never tried it. And I'm really excited to try Gunuma. Thank you so much. Next thing that I got is this shoe. Have a look, guys. It's from Christine. Like, मलाई यो यस्तो डिजाइन भएको सु मलाई कहिलेदेखि चाहिएको थियो. मैले each and every साइटमा मतलब इन्स्टाग्राम, मिन्त्रा, whatever सबै साइटमा मैले खोज्ने पुरा कोसिस गरेँ तर मैले कहिले पाइनँ. Luckily, Christinaले I don't know कहाँबाट पायो and she got this for me. Thank you so much, Christine. Thank you so much, guys, for your lovely gift and your love. I feel so blessed that I got you guys along by my side. And thank you everyone for your warm wishes. It's really meant a lot to me. Seriously. Thank you. So obviously I had a great time. किनकि मैले यस्तो एक्सपेक्ट गरेको थिइनँ कि मेरो बर्थडे यसरी दामी बित्छ. मैले जस्ट प्लान गरेको थिएँ कि म मेरो बर्थडेको दिन म मेरो साथीहरूसँग एउटा सिम्पल एउटा लन्च डेटमा जान्छु एन्ड देन त्यतिकै बर्थडेहरू मनाउँछु भनेर प्लान गरेको थिएँ. बट आई गट लट्स अफ सरप्राइजेस फ्रम माई फ्रेन्ड्स एन्ड फ्यामिली. I can't even express like कति चाहिँ खुसी थिएँ त्यति बेला. So thank you. So before we end of this vlog, I want to give a shout out to my bestie Christine. किनकि हालैमा उसले एउटा नयाँ गीत रिलिज गरेको छ and the name of the song is Khai. Now you guys can listen her on different social platforms like Spotify, Ghana, Saavn, also on YouTube. So please guys to support her. I can guarantee you if तपाईँहरूले एकपल्ट उसको गाना सुन्नुभयो भने you guys instantly follow her. So please go and listen her song. So this much for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. So till then, take care, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.